stories out of her hair, and everyone followed her visions, and it was a great, wonderful society underneath the world. But then she decided she got bored and wanted to come up outside into the upper world. And she flew around, I was looking around, and she landed, she came to a party at my house. The queen of the underworld came to my house, a party. It was a great honor. We were all, oh, queen of the underworld, you're here. Oh, the hallucination, we're all tripping, even though we're not tripping, it's great. And then it was really fun until we realized that she drank all the booze. She fucked all the people. She fucked them all, yes. And she made a big mess. And we thought, we love her so much. We're gonna write a song. It's called La Araña.